Jeff, the geocaching guy.
Well, today I'm going to go geocaching again. Yesterday was fun. I found my first geocache and it was a micro. And there really wasn't that much room inside to put a prize for the next person. So for this micro today, I'm going to take with me this little silver pendant of a flagship. Could be put on a necklace, or it could be put on a necklace. It could be put on a bracelet. It's a little cute charm. Hopefully it'll fit into the micro. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to sign the logbook and call it good. Today it's snowing and it's cold outside. We haven't got that much snow on the ground though, so if this micro is on the ground, I should be able to find it. Although no one has found this thing since April, and it's December 7th. So it might have been muggled, might have been stolen, or, you know, people just aren't going to it because it's called authorized personnel only. So hopefully, you know, if I get there and it says authorized personnel only, I'm not going to trespass. You know, it's not worth getting busted over. So, let's go find it. Okay, it's really snowing and blowing out here, but I see some metal power boxes up ahead of me, so I'm thinking it's there. So let's go take a look. Okay, I think I found this geocache, but I'm not going to mess with it because it's like on a roof underneath a shingle, and this is a public building, not a public building, but a private building, probably from an electric company or something, so I'm not going to mess with the roof and get up there. If you go for this one, you might want to do it at night. Let me show you where it's at. Okay, it looks like it's right under a shingle on this roof, so I'm not going to mess with this one. Well, that was fun. It was snowing like crazy once I got there. It started really coming down. I bet we're going to get some inches of snow tonight. But yeah, I didn't mess with this one. I looked up and it looked like somebody lifted a shingle up and put a small kind of flat container underneath a shingle, and I didn't want to be seen messing around with that. You know, I don't know if there was some damage to the shingle or what, but it looked like there was also a roll of paper inside, and you probably can't see that on my video because I didn't get that close to it, but the GPS coordinates took me within 3 feet of it, so I looked all around for another container, didn't find it, and that's the only thing I saw that could have been it. So I'm marking this as a find, and you know, I didn't sign the logbook, but you know, maybe next time I'll be able to find an actual container and put something in it and see what's in that container. All right, Geo Jeff out.